Hello friends, Claire from Shenzhen HR Tenda. Happy coming weekend. Today I have so good news to share with you on our new EAS manual detacher. For this manual EAS detacher, it has some improvements. At first, it has a screw here to hold the top cover better. While we press here, the hook inside will not come out. Then we put the sugar tags inside the EAS detacher like this. Now we will press here. The pin will come out very easily. So if you need a sugar tag or our new EAS detacher, welcome to talk with me. I'm waiting for your office here. Have a nice day. Bye bye.